I'm 姑姐。
小朋友，大家好，我係你哋嘅主持人姑姐。Today we'll be learning about animals in Cantonese. We'll be learning about these 7. Are you ready? Let's get started. Can you tell 姑姐 what animal you see? Yes, I see a cow too. To say cow in Cantonese, it's ngao. Can you repeat after me? Ngao. That's right, ngao. Very good. We'll move on to our next animal. Can you tell me what you see? Yes, I see a rabbit too. To say rabbit in Cantonese, it's bạc thâu. Can you repeat after me? Bạc thâu. That's right, bạc thâu. Very good. Now we'll move on to our next animal. Can you tell 姑姐 what you see? Yes, I see a horse too. To say horse in Cantonese, it's mã. Can you repeat after me? Mã. That's right, mã. Very good. Let's learn our next animal. Can you tell 姑姐 what you see? Yes, 姑姐 sees a sheep too. To say sheep in Cantonese, it's羊. Can you repeat after me? 羊. That's right, 羊. Very good. We'll learn our next animal now. Can you tell 姑姐 what you see? Yes, it's a monkey. To say monkey in Cantonese, it's mã lau. Can you repeat after me? Mã lau. That's right, mã lau. Very good. Okay, let's move on to our next animal. Can you tell 姑姐 what you see? Yes, it's a rooster. To say rooster in Cantonese, it's công gai. Can you repeat after me? Công gai. That's right, công gai. Very good. All right, we're on our final animal. Can you tell 姑姐 what you see? Yes, I see a pig too. To say pig in Cantonese, it's 豬. Can you repeat after me? 豬. That's right, 豬. Very good. Thank you for learning with 姑姐 today. Class dismissed. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.